Hi guys, a week ago I bought Mavic Air drone. I bought the combo package. There is a 3 battery included, but one of my battery is there is a little swallow. It doesn't working. There is no light, no charge. This is the working battery. Another batteries. Also, when I put the charging station, this is full battery. When I put it here and place it, look, no light. There is light, the red light. There is a problem.
These 2 battery, right side is problem battery. When I push button, there is no light. It is normal battery. When I push, it's full of charges. All lights is on. When I spin it around, it's easily turning because backside is swollen. So I will get it back. This is cannot spinning around.
I had opened a ticket to DJI support, but I don't know. I will update if I get new one. I don't know. I bought it from Turkey here. Well, let's see. When I stay, please subscribe my channel. Watch my Mavic Air and DJI Osmo footage.